beautiful igboticnono, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Basically, please, if you're new, please click on the red button there and join the family. And if you're old, my OGs, I see you guys, my consistent OGs that always watch my video and always comment. Thank you for always encouraging me, because your comment, trust me, encourages me. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please join the family. I'm saying it again, just join the family on this channel. If you don't know, I teach Igbo language, culture, and what have you. I also bring in vlogs to my channel from time to time, just to make this channel a little bit spicy. So when you're done of learning, you can have other videos to play around with. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. In today's video, we're going to be learning expression for brushing in Igbo language. Yes, we brush our teeth every day. Yes, we have few sentences that we usually use 100% daily whenever we want to brush our teeth. This is most often said, and if you're learning Igbo language, why not? So I brought it to your doorstep today, and I made my notes already because I love to make notes. Making notes is to highlight the very important things I need, the very important introduction language or phrases for a beginner that wants to learn Igbo language, okay, without making it too cumbersome or complicated. You understand? And number one here is Anam asezem. Anam asezem. Anam asezem. I'm brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. Anam asezem. Anam asezem. Anam asezem. I am brushing my teeth. Anam asezem. I am brushing my teeth. And we have also here Amaram asezem. Amaram asezem. Amaram asezem. I know how to brush my teeth. Amaram asezem. I know how to brush my teeth. Amaram asezem. I know how to brush my teeth. And we have also here Anam asezem ugboro abụọ n'ụbọchị. 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 I brush my teeth 2 times in a day. Simple as that. I brush my teeth 2 times in a day, so your teeth can be white. Anam asezem. Brush your tongue as well. Anam asezem ugboro abụọ n'ụbọchị. I brush my teeth 2 times in a day. Anam asa ire mgbe niile. Anam asa ire mgbe niile. I brush my tongue all the time. I brush my tongue all the time. Anam asa ire mgbe niile. Eji m atụ bekee na ncha eze asa eze m. Eji m atụ bekee na ncha eze asa eze m. Eji m atụ bekee na ncha eze asa eze m. Eji m atụ bekee na ncha eze m asa eze m. This is quite a long sentence, but follow my lips, synchronize with it. You know that way you're doing TikTok videos and they're, let me see the chicken and let me see the one. Oh my, thank God. Oh, I never. You know how I used to sing it with them. Follow my lips and be singing this one. Ejim atu bekee na ncha eze asa eze m. Ejim atu bekee na ncha eze asa eze m. I use toothbrush and toothpaste to brush my teeth. Mgbe ọbụla m na-asa eze m, ọ na-egbuke ọcha. Mgbe ọbụla m na-asa eze m, ọ na-egbuke ọcha. Mgbe ọbụla m na-asa eze m, ọ na-egbuke ọcha. Anytime, every time I brush my teeth, it sparkles white, it sparkles clean. Mgbe ọbụla m na-asa eze m, ọ na-egbuke ọcha. Mgbe ọbụla m na-asa eze m, ọ na-egbuke ọcha. Mgbe ọbụla m na-asa eze m, ọ na-egbuke ọcha means anytime I brush my teeth, it sparkles clean. It sparkles clean. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so, because I don't know the reason why you've not subscribed if you don't like this face, or if what I'm doing is not pleasing. But you clicked on the video, you click on the video and you've watched to this point, and subscription is free. So what's your reason? Nothing. Subscribe to my channel, join my family, watch my videos, share my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day and Happy New Year. I'm gonna thank God. Bye guys. See you guys.